In 2006, India's corporate sector began to emerge as a strong segment of the global economy. Technology was making its mark in the Indian villages and driving a phase of growth and change. To fuel the growth at that time, the country needed a vast number of skillful youth who had to play a crucial role in the progress of the country, either by joining the workforce or by becoming self-reliant innovators. However, the skill set of the youth was inadequate to support the fast-growing Indian economy. With the sole objective of making youth employable, Ambuja Cement Foundation envisioned the Skill and Entrepreneurship Development Institute, SEDI, to enhance the skills and abilities of the youth by providing them vocational training, counseling, and gainful employment. In April 2006, ACF Rabri Awas collaborated with SBBJ Bank, currently SBI Bank, and launched ACF's first SEDI at Jetaran, a small town in the Pali district of Western Rajasthan. To identify the needs of industries and the interest of the youth, the SEDI team was tasked to conduct a ground-level survey. Based on the results of this survey and the market research, 10 employable trades were identified. Initially, 3 trades: tailoring, two-wheeler repair, and entrepreneurship development program were started at the SEDI campus. Every journey begins with a small step. The first step in the journey of SEDI was to raise awareness among the youth and their families about skill development and growing employment opportunities in India. To achieve this task, SEDI team came up with innovative solutions such as community meetings and door-to-door campaigns. These initiatives provided the youth with great knowledge on the importance of skill development and boosted their confidence to come forward. As a result of these efforts, 204 students received training in the first year, and 72% of trainees got the opportunities to either work with prominent organizations or start their own enterprises. For these outstanding results, SEDI was awarded at the tehsil level and district level.
अंबुजा सीमेंट फाउंडेशन का स्थापना की थी उस समय बच्चों को रोजगार और स्वरोजगार देने के लिए, क्योंकि औद्योगिकीकरण का विकास हो रहा था। उनमें से सबसे पहले जैतारण में कौशल एवं उद्यमिता विकास की स्थापना की थी और मुझे खुशी है जिस समय इसकी स्थापना हुई थी उस समय 250 बच्चे सालाना प्रशिक्षण ले रहे थे। आज 1000 बच्चे यहाँ प्रशिक्षण ले रहे हैं और इस प्रकार के कार्य करने से लोगों में जागरूकता आती है और लोग कौशल का प्रशिक्षण लेकर के अपने रोजगार से जुड़ते हैं और अपने परिवार का भरण पोषण और पालन पोषण करते हैं।
Further, NABARD and the Rajasthan Mission on Livelihood also came forward to support this initiative. The success of SEDI Jetaran encouraged Ambuja Cement Foundation to open new SEDI centers in different parts of the country. And several new courses like data entry management, customer relationship management, and hospitality management were introduced. These new courses will offer advanced skill education and multiple job opportunities. In 2012, the Ministry of Rural Development also recognized the vision and innovations undertaken by SEDI Jetaran, and it was ranked among the top 3 skill development institutes in India. CGM NABARD also visited SEDI campus and appreciated the initiatives taken by us.
ये बहुत हमारा सौभाग्य ही कहेंगे, क्योंकि संस्थाएं तो बहुत हैं, लेकिन जो एक सुचारू रूप से स्ट्रैटेजिक तरीके से, नीतिगत तरीके से अगर कोई ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम होता है तो उसका आनंद ही कुछ और होता है।
SEDI also realized the need for soft skill development to make trainees more employable and productive. So, courses concerning basic computer knowledge, English proficiency, and personality development were made compulsory for every student.
मैंने 2012 के अंदर रिसेप्शनिस्ट कम फ्रंट डेस्क असिस्टेंट का कोर्स किया था और वहाँ से मुझे प्लेसमेंट मिला कैफ़े कॉफ़ी डे में एज ए टीम मेंबर। वहाँ पे मैं मैनेजर प्रमोट हुआ ओनली 1 ईयर 3 मंथ के अंदर। मैं सबसे यंगेस्ट मैनेजर था पूरे नॉर्थ इंडिया के अंदर कैफ़े कॉफ़ी डे के अंदर। टोटल मैंने 6 ईयर 7 मंथ वहाँ काम किया। उसके बाद मैंने जोधपुर के अंदर ज्वाइन किया फॉरेस्ट एसेंशियल के अंदर एज ए स्टोर मैनेजर। जो मुझे ग्रोथ मिला है वो इस ट्रेनिंग का रिजल्ट है। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
SETI campus has been visited by many eminent personalities, providing their expertise in various domains to encourage our students. In 2018, IndusInd Bank also came on board to double the enrollment capacity of SETI Jetaran from 550 to 1,100 and also helped setting up 5 new trades: microfinance executive, unarmed security guard, assistant electrician, general duty assistant and customer relationship management.
जनरल ड्यूटी असिस्टेंट का कोर्स सरल जैतारण से किया है। अब मैं फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल में जॉब कर रही हूँ और यहाँ पे जॉब करके बहुत खुश हूँ। पहले मैं यहाँ पे GDA स्टाफ थी, अब यहाँ पे मैं नर्सिंग स्टाफ हूँ। मेरे परिवार के बारे में बताऊँ तो हम 5 सिस्टर हैं और मेरे पिताजी मजदूरी का काम करते हैं और उनका मैं यहाँ जॉब करके उनका सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ और यहाँ मैं काम करके बहुत खुश हूँ।
The journey that once started as a small step now turned into a national mission. Prestigious organizations including Tally Education, Godrej Saloni, Taj Group, Schneider Electrical, NSDC, and many others join hands as placement partners, knowledge partners, and infrastructure supporting partners. Looking at the accomplishments of SETI Jetaran, Ambuja Cement Foundation partnered with various corporate organizations, family foundations, and Rajasthan Government Skill Development Mission. Within 10 years, these fruitful partnerships led to the launch of 10 new centers in Rajasthan. In the last 1.5 decades, SETI Jetaran has successfully trained more than 7,000 youth with 85% placement in national and international organizations. Also, SETI is associated with 500 plus industries and corporate organizations. At SETI centers, we have well-developed infrastructure and modern equipment for imparting quality training to every youth. Also, experts at SETI also provide mentorship to students who wish to start their own businesses. Currently, 36 SETIs are functioning in 10 states, where employment-oriented training is being provided to about 15,000 youth every year in 43 different trades. SETI centers are becoming skill development hubs where a large number of boys and girls are shaping their careers and becoming future ready.
In Rajasthan itself, we are training and skilling 5,000 youth in a year. And all across country, we have trained so far 75,000 youth. Our vision for this state is very clear. We would like to replicate this model to each district of Rajasthan Mission 33. And our aim is to train at least 25,000 youth in a year to tackle this unemployment as well as the poverty of the state. We are committed and we are looking forward to the like-minded partners, like-minded stakeholders to join hands together to spread this prosperity and to address this unemployment of the state.
These extraordinary efforts and achievements are clear proof that SETI has not only become a prestigious name in the field of skill development, but also powers the economic growth of our nation.